Hey, what's up? It's Jesse with Rendell RV. Today I want to take you around this pre-owned. Model number is a 356QB. It is a Salem Hemisphere made by Forest River. It's going to have a big bunk room in the back and also a rear bathroom. So you got your main entry door up front. Also in the back here you'll have a second entry door to go straight to the second full bath. There's your outside grill that'll swing around. Your outside kitchen. Huge electric awning, outside speakers, TV mount there, some hookups, storage right up front. This couch right here and this dinette will make out to extra beds. Spin around here to the kitchen area. It's a big Whirlpool refrigerator, 3-burner stove, your oven, microwave in a hood. Stainless steel sink. There's a spray faucet there. Some storage up above. Your TV and your fireplace. We'll start back here. So back here you're going to see 2 opposing slides, one there and one here. This bed can lift up, tuck out of the way for the couch so you can have more headroom, and this right here also makes down to a bed. Wardrobe, storage, and you got storage up there. A little ladder for the bunk. Some more storage and TV hookups down here. Here's your extra full bath. And we'll take it to the front. So up front you're going to have the main bedroom and the regular bathroom. It is a queen size bed on a slide. Your front closet has washer and dryer hookups, 6 dresser drawers, TV mount there for the bedroom. Also this unit does have 2 AC units. And your shower bathroom. But yeah, that's a quick look at this pre-owned that just come in. It's on our website, rendelrv.com, or you can call us at 903-326-4080.